Welcome back to my channel, everyone. It's Leah with Skin Beautiful RX. Today we are back for a 5-minute review. Today's 5-minute review will be on the brand new product from It's Clinical, which is their Youth Body Serum. So if you know anything about It's Clinical or have been watching my videos for a while, you know their youth line is the most advanced products on the market, not just in their range of products, but they are for the extreme reversal of aging and really helping just treat the overall conditions of the skin. So this is their very similar to the Youth Serum, the Youth Complex, the Youth Eye. Now we have a product for the entire body. I was really lucky and fortunate enough that I have been using this for quite a while. I had a few of these sent to me from It's Clinical, and I've been able to use this over the last few months, and I absolutely love it. So let me give you a little bit of a background on why this product was created before we get into all of the really fun stuff about all the key ingredients in this product and who this product's going to be for. So this was originally made because the scientist that actually formulates the It's Clinical product was getting really crepey skin. So when you look at the skin and it's like little teeny wrinkles and almost looks dry or dehydrated, but no amount of hydration really helps. It's crepey skin, it's loss of collagen in the skin, it's a loss of elasticity. So the scientist actually, because he was looking at his arms and he was like, you know, I have crepey skin, he actually made this product originally for himself, and it was just so amazing. And of course everybody wanted it, that they actually formulated it for all of us to have, which is really special and really fun. So I love the background on why this product was originally created for the scientist himself. So you know, of course, all of their products are so well thought out. You know, they have the best ingredients, the most pure ingredients on the market. But when the formulator himself makes a product just for his skin because he wants it to look nice and young, and then he brings it to the market for everybody, you know it's going to be a really special formulation. So first, Youth Body Serum is it's unlike any other serum on the market. It's extremely special, unlike other body products where they're just packed with a lot of lipids and a lot of oils to mask those skin issues you might be having, whether it be dry skin, crepey skin, aging skin. This serum, so it is a serum, it's not a cream, and of course serums are the most potent products you can apply to your skin. This actually has the nutrients and vitamins and antioxidant it needs to treat the skin, not just mask those issues that you can find in a lot of other body products. We don't want to mask the issues. We do want to immediately give the skin some change. I totally get it, when you put something on your skin, you do want an immediate effect, but we also want to make sure we're actually treating the issue. We're not just, covering up the issue. We want to treat the underlying reason this is happening, and now we can do that. So whether it's, again, crepey skin, aging skin, dehydrated, dry skin, this is also really great for inflamed, red, irritated skin, post-sunburn skin. This is going to be just an all-around amazing product. So let me tell you exactly why. So as I mentioned, this is an anti-aging serum for the body. So if you're treating the facial skin, you're treating the décolleté, you're treating the neck, you never want to forget, of course, the hands. But now you can really have an amazing product for the arms, the legs, the torso, all the other skin, so that, it matches all this work you're putting into making sure that, you look as young and the skin looks as healthy as you possibly can. So again, the youth line from It's Clinical is all about decreasing the velocity of skin aging. So we're slow, of course we're going to continue aging every single day. It's a part of being alive, but we can slow the velocity or the speed in which this happens. And the ingredients in the youth line really speak to being able to do that. So the Youth Body Serum not only contains hydrating agents, but also it contains a bunch of extremosomes. So of course, hydrating agents, they're going to immediately plump, hydrate the skin, soften the skin, nourish the skin. And then these extremosomes, which slow the velocity of the skin aging, they're actually clinically proven to protect and repair proteins and the DNA. First, let's go into why this product is so hydrating and nourishing for all skin types. So of course, a key ingredient is hyaluronic acid, and hyaluronic acid, we all know by now, it's like the big buzzword from last year, or probably the last 4 years. So it's a humectant, it supports barrier function, and you know, I feel like with everything going on, with wearing masks all the time, we know how important it is now to really protect and repair barrier function. And then of course, hyaluronic acid is amazing for plumping the dermis. So if you have really fine lines, hyaluronic acid, as soon as you apply it, is going to just immediately plump those fine lines and wrinkles. So for the body serum crepey skin, of course, as soon as you apply that, you're going to see a really great hydrating and softening of that crepey skin. Aloe Vera Gel is also in this formulation, and of course aloe vera is probably one of those commonly used ingredients in skincare. It's just so good for every skin. I don't think I've ever met somebody that's like, ooh, I don't like aloe vera. Like, everybody loves it. Everybody's skin loves it. Really strong antioxidant for the skin, and it's also anti-inflammatory. So it's going to calm redness. It's going to soothe the skin. That's why we put it on burns after we get a burn or a sunburn, because as soon as you apply it, it just immediately wants to soothe and calm the erythema, the inflammation, and really repair the damage that's happening. This is loaded with aloe vera gel, so you can tell just how good it's going to feel as soon as you apply it. Licorice root extract, which is also very soothing, also an anti-inflammatory. And then a really important ingredient in this is vitamin B, precursor to vitamin B5. Vitamin B is required for normal cell function. To maintain a normal cell metabolism, you have to have vitamin B5. So this is loaded with vitamin B. So again, it's just making sure your skin has all of the nutrients it needs to function properly. So by supplying it with vitamin B, you're gonna have the proper nutrients to maintain metabolic function in the skin, and that means your cells can, you know, do what they need to do. They need to divide, they need to make sure they're healthy, they don't want to die off. So normal metabolic function of the cells of the skin, of the DNA, means healthier, vibrant, younger looking skin. Lastly, for the humectant, the hydrating properties in this that were really important to me is Japanese bloodgrass. So Japanese bloodgrass is a botanical extract, and it makes the skin, the cells, maintain proper water balance. So again, we're talking about hydrating the skin with the hyaluronic acid. We're talking about making sure the DNA of the skin, the chromosomes, function properly, and they're doing what they need to do. The metabolism of the skin's working properly. And then it's really important to make sure that the water balance is there. So we've repaired the barrier function. So now we want to make sure what's going on inside of the skin is working properly. So this Japanese bloodgrass botanical actually moves water around in the skin of the cells, and it makes sure that wherever it's lacking, it'll actually pull excess water from somewhere else and supply that area with hydration. So it's really, really a fun botanical. It's really interesting to read about, to learn about. But of course, that's one of the really important ingredients when it comes to making sure the skin stays supple, that the body skin is properly hydrated, it's not itchy, it's not red. You're getting all of these really hydrating and nourishing ingredients in this one formulation. Now let's switch modes and talk about the anti-aging actives in this Youth Body Serum. So just to recap really quick before we get into the anti-aging aspect, extremosomes are clinically proven to protect and repair proteins and DNA of the skin. So extremosomes are used again in majority of the youth products, majority of the S-Clinical product line, especially their youth products. And as we all know, if we've used their youth line, it's amazing for anti-aging. And I really feel that, you know, S-Clinical using this ingredient for their formulations, put themselves on the map when it comes to treating aging skin. So it's really exciting that, you know, the extremosomes are in this product for the body, because, you know, as we age, everything starts to go downwards. It gets creepy, it gets loose, it gets, you know, just doesn't look good. So it's really exciting that this product can really help to restore a more younger looking body skin. A few different extremosomes in this product. The first one is watermelon fruit extract. Again, this is a very protective ingredient for our DNA, for the proteins, what keeps our skin young and healthy. But what's also really beneficial about having watermelon fruit extract is that it increases mitochondria in the skin. The mitochondria of the skin is the energy factory for skin cells. So, you know, you start to age, the energy factory starts to slow down. So this extract increases the mitochondria so that it starts producing a little bit faster. Your skin has more energy. The more energy it has, the more it can turn over, the more it can divide and be healthy. So this is a really, really important ingredient when it comes to anti-aging and making sure our cells, our skin cells, are functioning at the highest level that they can. Next extremosome is Perminium Extract, and this is a really special ingredient. Extremosome, it's found in flowers around California that are known for wildfires, and this flower has the ability to repair itself and protect itself all of the environmental damage that's happening to it. So this particular extremosome was pulled, and then what's really special is that it actually can speak to our human cells of the skin. So it's a pretty amazing little ingredient, but when we apply it to our skin, it's going to be amazing, especially for people like me who live, you know, outside of a huge city, or, you know, you can live anywhere, but anywhere there's a lot of environmental pollution. This extract, this ingredient is going to be so beneficial for protecting the skin. It's a huge antioxidant. This entire product has so many different antioxidants, but this one's a really special one because it is so protective. It's to protect your own skin, but it's going to help your skin better protect itself in the long run. Intrinsic and extrinsic aging, sometimes, you know, we can help it, and sometimes we just can't. Like, I can't pack up and move because of all the pollution around me, but I can help myself be better prepared. A lot of body products, people don't like the fact that they're really thick. Again, all those lipids and oils sit on the skin, and you know, you don't want to put it on in the morning because then you can't get your clothes on. But again, this is a serum. So again, this is the real version. This is the one I've been using. So I just wanted to show it to you really quick. Again, it's like a mist serum spray. So it goes on thicker than a mist, but about, you know, very, you know, serum like. All of the clinical serums are very water weight, so, you know, spray it and then be ready to catch it. But it smells delicious. So that's one thing that as soon as I started using it, I was like, oh my gosh, this is like the best thing I've ever smelled. It's blood orange. So I didn't even know that was a thing prior to the serum. I was like, what is a blood orange? Yeah, I'm not the healthiest eater, but it smells absolutely incredible. So you just smell really good. It like just is a delight for the senses. And of course, as soon as it goes on, I mean, you can't see this close up, but as soon as it goes on, like the fine lines, the dryness, the wrinkles that are present on this side are not over here. And of course, the dry down time is super quick. Again, water weight serums, you can always expect that from its clinical, and it just feels so good, smells so good, but it's not going to be your traditional body moisturizer. This is an anti-aging hydrating serum for the body. So I wanted to make that very clear. You're not getting this like thick body cream with this product. It is a true treatment serum, but it is very, very hydrating, fantastic for crepey skin. It's going to be for all skin types. Fantastic for dry skin, chapped skin, post sunburn, irritated red, or just, you know, regular skin that you want a really great body product. This is going to be great for everybody. So in closing, I want to wrap this up by saying there is literally no other body serum on the market for body skin that is going to come close to what this provides you when it comes to hydrating, nourishing, softening the skin, and actually protecting against future damage, as well as being really anti-aging and providing the skin of the body all the antioxidants it also deserves, just like facial skin. So again, that is the Clinical Youth Body Serum, not to be confused with a body moisturizer. It is very hydrating, but still not going to be that thick, sticky product like a body cream can be. So again, Clinical Youth Body Serum, absolutely amazing for the overall integrity of the body, skin, and body skin health. see you guys next time. I hope you love this video. You guys will love this product. The smell alone is so captivating. So thank you guys for joining me today. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.